Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice and this is Candice Hair Diary. Now let's go ahead and get into today's style. This is my inspiration. I am going to be trying to achieve a faux lock bob with subtle hints of a boho pieces. So this is the look that I'm going for. I'm going to kind of tweak it a bit. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is the hair that I will be using. I got these modern soft locks. I only got one pack, y'all. One pack short is what they call me. Okay. And because we're going to do it in a shorter version, then I got the shortest ones I can find. And then I'm going to be using this springy Afro twist hair in a 16-inch. And this is made, I think by, is this Expression? I couldn't remember if it was free dress or not. So this is the colors that I'm going for. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. So this is how much, I know it's got a little curvature. I don't necessarily too much want that curve, but might just end up being a little curve. But this is what I got so far. Excuse blue lips. I'm eating candy, so don't worry about that. So this is what I got. So not everyone will be like boho like this. And some of it just gonna be regular. So I gotta do the rest. And once I get up here, I'll do an actual, like I'll do a small section and actually show y'all how I am actually doing this. So let me get done with the rest of this and then come back when I'm ready to do the actual tutorial part. All right guys, so everything is coming along. I only have, this is what I got so far. Okay, and I'm starting this section, so I'm going to do one, like some of them I'm doing with the, like a few of them, only a few of them I'm doing with the little curly boho, some old curly, not even boho, but curly crochet hair that I had when I did the braided bob. So I'm adding like maybe a few of them in here just to give it a little dimension. So let me show you really quickly how I am doing that. Let's see, did I do that one with, so I might not do, I'll do that one with a little hair added because I don't think I have any hair added onto that one. So I'm gonna take it, gonna braid it, start the braid, then I'm going to add in my just loose crochet hair that I kind of cut actually off the track. Gonna do that, braid it in, then braid that part, braid that down, and then as I'm braiding that down, I'm gonna leave this other, that other piece of crochet hair out as well. And then I'm gonna braid that part down. So this right here. Just like that. So I'm not gonna braid this whole thing down. So then I'm going to take my small crochet, hook it through like so, take that piece, hook that through like so, take my hair, wrap it around and up the braid, right, and then I'm also gonna put like a little bit of jam on there just to kind of hold it like that. Then I'm gonna take that wrapping hair, take a little piece of that wrapping hair, not too much because I don't want the lock to be thick. Then I'm going to take my crochet needle, go through, hook that hair,
bring it through, still keep like a little small piece, and then I'm going to actually wrap that part, because I don't want this to be flipped up. So I'm not going to wrap it under. I'm going to wrap this mainly on top, and then I'm going to flip that hair up. So I'm going to wrap that a couple times, and then I'm going to take this piece, hook that under there, get that out the way, and then continue wrapping. Wrapping all the way down, down, and then let's see. Make sure I remember where this is. Take this piece, hook that, down, wrap. And this is where my hair is wrapped to. So I'm going to wrap over that, wrap through, and just wrap it on down. Wrap it on down. And it don't have to be super tight or close. Just enough. Oh. So wrap. And then to know, I take this, you still see how much, so I make sure I take it all the way down. And once I get to the length that I'm at, then I go ahead and just cut it. So it's best to wrap it and then cut. Otherwise, it won't be the same length as you think you are cutting, because now the soft lock has now been stretched out. And then I'm going to take some more hair, wrap this around a little bit more to cover, and then that's going to be that. So I'm going to do a few more, and then I should be done. So yeah, we'll come back. All right, guys, so here is one that I'm going to do that's a little bit longer, and this is going to be without the curly hair. This is actually a piece that I just cut off, so I'm going to take that, loop it through, take some more jam, wrap that around, because I'm using leftover. This is a piece that I cut and it doesn't have the crochet loop. So, because I was not buying more than one pack, y'all, I went playing. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair around that end piece, just like that. Just like that. Take crochet hair. Crochet that piece through. Go ahead and start wrapping. I'll wrap that one a bit tight. I wrap that one a little tight, y'all. That's why you gotta make sure you don't wrap tight or it'll start sticking out like that. Kind of loosen it up too. So let me go ahead and finish and I will come back with the finished product. All right guys, so here is the final look. I put a couple of shells on them. I have not put any mousse or any like braid spray or lock spray on them or anything. I kind of think I want them a little shorter, but I'm gonna stick with this length because I have not had this length in a while for braids and locks. So I kind of want them a little shorter, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna stick with this length as is. But as you can see, they are pretty versatile. So got enough versatility to kind of play with. They are not stiff. They are, you know, pretty good. I feel like something dropped. What did you just drop? Oh, God. I don't know if one of my shells dropped off or not, but yeah. And then as time goes on, they're gonna drop even more. They're gonna get even more loose than what they are. But I like them.
All right, y'all. So right here is where pretty much it ended. I thought I was going to do my makeup, but y'all, I ain't feel like it to give y'all a real final look. But this is what it looked like. This style actually lasted me a good 4 weeks until I was ready to change it. It upheld very well, and I was definitely pleased with it. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Peace.